Structure of nursing knowledge and theory. There are various methods for classifying theory in nursing, and these have been described. The methods include classification based on the range or scope, or whether it's abstract, such as a grand or macro theory to practice, or situation-specific theory, as well as type or purpose of the theory. It could be descriptive, predictive, or prescriptive. Theories can be differentiated based on their scope, which refers to the complexity and the degree of the abstraction. The classification scheme typically uses the terms meta-theory, philosophy, or worldview to describe the philosophical basis of the discipline. Grand theory or macro theory is used to describe the comprehensive conceptual framework. Middle range or mid-range theory is used to describe frameworks that are relatively more focused than grand theories, and they are situation-specific theories. There's also a practice theory or a micro theory that is used to describe those instances smallest in scope. Meta-theory refers to a theory about the nature of theory and focuses on broad issues, like the process of generating knowledge and theory development, and it is a forum for debate within a discipline. Philosophical and methodologic issues at the meta-theory or worldview level include identifying the purpose and kinds of theory needed for nursing, developing and analyzing methods for creating nursing theory, and proposing criteria for evaluating theory. Grand theories are the most complex and broadest in the scope. They attempt to explain broad areas within the nursing discipline and may incorporate numerous other theories, and they are often termed as a macro theory. Grand theories are developed through thoughtful and insightful appraisal of existing ideas as opposed to empirical research. The majority of the nursing conceptual frameworks with authors such as Oram, Roy, and Rogers are considered to be grand theories. Middle range theories are composed of relatively concrete concepts that are operationally defined and relatively concrete propositions that can be empirically tested. Many nursing researchers like working with propositions and theories characterized as a middle range rather than with conceptual frameworks, because the middle range theory provides a basis for generating testable hypotheses related to a particular nursing phenomena and to a particular client population. Practice theories are also known as situation-specific theories, prescriptive theories, micro-theories, and these are the least complex. Practice theories are narrow in scope, and they explain a small aspect of reality, and they are intended to be prescriptive. Practice theories are usually limited to a specific population or a field of practice, and these often use knowledge from other disciplines. The purpose of descriptive theory is to provide observation and meaning regarding the phenomena. Descriptive theories are generated and tested by descriptive research techniques that include concept analysis, case studies, literature reviews, ethnography, and grounded theory. Explanatory theories attempt to tell how or why the concepts are related, and they can deal with cause and effect and correlations or rules that regulate interactions. Explanatory theories are developed by correlational research and increasingly through comprehensive literature reviews and synthesis. Predictive theories are also known as situation relating theories. These are achieved when the conditions under which the concepts are related are stated and the relational statements are able to describe future outcomes consistently. These theories move to the prediction of precise relationships between concepts. Prescriptive theories address nursing, therapeutics, and consequences of interventions. These include propositions that call for change and predict consequences of the interventions used for the change. They should describe the prescription, the consequences, the type of client, and the conditions. There are various issues when developing theory in nursing. The first is the issue of borrowed versus unique theory in nursing. A second issue is nursing's metaparadigm. And the third is the importance of the concept of caring in nursing. The main thought that is held by those individuals opposed to borrowed theory is that the only theories that are grounded in nursing should guide the actions of the nursing discipline. A second idea that supports the need for unique theory is that any theory that evolves out of nursing practice is substantially nursing. The purpose or the function of the metaparadigm is to summarize intellectual and social missions of the nursing discipline and place boundaries on the subject matter of the discipline. A metaparadigm must identify a domain that is distinctive from the domains of other disciplines. The concepts and the propositions represent a unique perspective for inquiry and for practice. The metaparadigm must encompass all the phenomena of interest to the discipline. The concepts and propositions are global, and there are no redundancies. A metaparadigm needs to be perspective neutral. The concepts and the propositions do not represent a specific perspective. It must also be global in scope and substance. The concepts and propositions do not reflect particular national, cultural, or ethnic beliefs or values. Nursing's well-known metaparadigm involves four unique aspects, which is person, environment, health in nursing, and health. Some philosophers like to add caring because that is the basis for the nursing practice. Nursing theories are distinguishable from each other by the various ways in which the theory conceptualizes the person or the recipient of nursing care. Many nursing models organize data about the individual person as a focus of the nurse's attention, even though some nursing theories have expanded to include family or community as the focus of the theory. Some nurses have suggested replacing the term health with the terms quality of life. It is believed that quality of life is a more inclusive notion, as health is often understood in terms of physical status. Quality of life better encompasses a holistic perspective that involves physical, physiological, and social well-being, and includes the spiritual and environmental aspects of the human experience. Many nursing theories have a very narrow conceptualization of environment as the immediate surroundings of the individual. This therefore limits the understanding by making the environment rigid and static. A multi-layer view of the environment encourages understanding of an individual's perspective and immediate context, as well as incorporates the socio-political and economic structures, as well as underlying ideologies that influence reality. The purpose of nursing care includes placing the client in the best condition for nature to help restore health, promoting the adaptation of the individual, facilitating the development of an interaction between the nurse and the client where they have jointly set goals, and promoting harmony between the individual and their environment. The nursing practice facilitates, supports, and assists individuals, families, communities, and societies to enhance, maintain, and recover health, as well as reduce the effects of illness. When looking at the Metaparadigm concepts, the person in health, as a nurse, we are concerned with the laws and principles that govern the human rights of living and dying, related to person environment. As nurses, we're concerned with the patterning of human health experiences within their environment. For health and nursing, we are concerned with the actions or interventions that are beneficial to all individuals. For person, environment, and health, we are concerned with the human processes of living and dying, understanding that human beings are in a continual relationship with their environment and surroundings. A metaparadigm is the most abstract knowledge that is broad, global, and a distinctive conceptual boundary of nursing knowledge. Nursing philosophy sets forth the meaning of nursing phenomena through analysis, reasoning, and logical presentation. The conceptual models are sets of concepts that address phenomena that is central to nursing and propositions that explain the relationships among them. The conceptual models are comprehensive and address each of the metaparadigm concepts of human beings, environment, health, and nursing. The nursing theorists at this level have been referred to as pioneers of nursing. The grand theory derives from conceptual model and proposes an abstract, testable theory. Nursing theories can be derived from nursing philosophies, conceptual models, grand theories, abstract nursing theories, or works in other disciplines. A work classified as a nursing theory is developed from some conceptual framework or grand theory and is not as specific as a middle range theory. The middle range theory has the most specific focus and a concrete level of abstraction. It proposes precise, testable nursing practice questions. Middle range theories address specifics of nursing situations within the perspective of the model, grand theory, or theory from which the middle range theory originates. Empiric indicators are a sensory experience that is linked to a concept. More empirically grounded concepts have more direct empiric indicators. Abstract concepts require the construction of indirect measures or tools that provide an approximate empiric measurement of some feature of the phenomenon.